I'm Hank Green, and I love questions.
Is octopus aliens?
Do you think there will ever be flying cars?
I love hearing questions, I love answering questions, and I think that we can learn a lot about people by the questions that they choose to ask about the world.
I'm ready to be judged, and I'm also ready to learn.
I am sure that that's extremely important and personal to you, and I'm gonna ignore that entirely.
So I'm doing a new show where I have people come and ask me their questions, and then I try and answer their questions as best as I can.
Because the answer to your question is somebody.
Really? The day is getting longer.
And the oceans are a part of that somehow. Okay, cool.
We also talk about why they want to ask those questions, and I try to get to know them a little bit more through those answers.
Don't tell me that. That means my anxiety is working.
Try to move your foot in one direction and your hand in the other.
Everyone's doing it in the room. I love it.
That
Is an ass.
we've just found out that Michelle's a little freaked out by pigeons.
I think they're some of the most beautiful structures in nature, and I like you less and less every moment.
Can you tell me a secret?
I can.
Okay, ready?
I would totally have gone on the
I
Titanic.
would have been waving on the shoreline.
I would have been like, that's an unsinkable ship.
I hope I don't eat people. I don't know, Hank.
It's called Ask Hank Anything. The episodes come out once a month. It's at youtube.com/complexly.
I just realized that is Ask Hank. Aha.
I just don't know what kind of show this is.
Oh, we can get into it.